Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wanted to share a sneak peek of your video masterpiece, gather valuable feedback, and then refine it for perfection? With Pictory, your wishes are now a reality. Let's dive into how you can effortlessly share a video preview outside Pictory's wall. Once your creative mind has converged into a stunning project, or you are ready to unveil your work for feedback, locate the preview button on the top right corner of the storyboard. As the preview screen comes to life, observe the upper right corner of the preview itself. Here, you will spot the Copy Preview Link button, your key to sharing the magic. Give that button a click, and like magic, the preview link is copied. A reassuring link copied message confirms your success. When you're done exploring the preview or sharing it, exit the screen with a simple X click at the top right corner, a tap anywhere outside the preview, or by pressing the Escape key on your keyboard. Now, share the copied preview link far and wide with your friends, colleagues, or even on your favorite social media platform. Just remember, this link offers a view-only experience, ensuring your artistic touch remains intact. So there you have it, a seamless way to share and receive feedback on your Pictory creation. Unveil your masterpiece, refine it with insights, and let your creativity shine. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.